Okay, so hey guys, so today is the meet day. I just finished my weigh in and I weighed in at 72.4 kilos. Uh, the scale in my house was showing 73.4, so basically it was not calibrated. Okay, so basically this competition is open equipped. So for those of you who don't know about powerlifting, there's two sides of it. That's equipped and there's raw. So equipped is like a booster. You can lift much more. So this one's open equipped. So there's like no age limit. I personally am a junior that comes under 18 to 23 because I'm 19 years old. Yeah. So basically I have big disadvantage in this competition. So I'm definitely not going to get placed or anything. I'm competing here because I just want to perform, and yeah, I'm competing after a year. The last time I competed was in December 2019. So yeah, yeah, I didn't stop. Peasants, they are peasants. I'm not a peasant. You come here. I feel like it used to go on like that. Yeah, I feel. Huh? No. Whatever, if it's in my brain, it's okay. Let it be there. Let it be there.
I'm my chip boss, man. I got this, yeah.
Hey guys, so this was my last warm up, 200 kgs. So it moved pretty well. But the thing with the warm up room was the platform was made out of wood, so it was so slippy, and the rack it was so wobbly. But then I somewhat managed, but it was like a shitty warm up. So then the opener was 210 kg. The thing with this platform was it was very slippy. The carpet was like not attached to the wood platform, and like I couldn't tear the floor or maintain tightness. But yeah, this was 210 my opener. It moved pretty well. I got good lift, all three white lights. So I went to 222.5 on my second lift. And so 222.5 is an unofficial junior national record. So the junior national record is 220 kgs. Obviously it's not counted, that's why it's unofficial, but yes, it's 2.5 over the national record. So it moved pretty decent. I stuck to plan, and then I went for 227.5. That's 500 pounds. It's also an unofficial junior national record, which I beat it by 7.5 kilos. Yeah, so it was a pretty good lift, and I got 3 on 3 on squats, and I'm pretty sure I had more like 232. And then so we started with bench. The thing with bench, they had the bench in the warm-up room, so it was horrible, and they changed the lat RAS movement. So I had like 5 minutes to warm up, And so my last warm up was 115 kilos, as you can see now. The thing here is the platform was so slippy, so basically it was like a zero leg drive thing. And the issue with now this was I suddenly got a forearm injury. So this is my 120 kilo opener. It didn't move that well, so I just jumped to 122. So the thing was, I normally unrack the bar myself, but I couldn't do it now because I had injured my forearm. It was like pinching, paining because there were a lot of knots in my forearm, and I'll be doing a physio to cure it. So this is 122.5, and this 122 went really well. So I jumped to 127.5, which is my personal best in the gym. And the thing here, I already started cramping. So I was already cramped like before I started the lift. It's kind of a grinder. You can clearly see me cramping, my legs shaking. So yeah, I did pretty good for what the platform was. It was almost like a Larsen press. And then I started with deadlift. So yeah, deadlift was always mine. I started cramping, so my hands started closing. But then somehow I managed. So this is 170 kilos. So again, the platform was wooden. For this is the warm up, right? So there was no grip. So this is 210. Everything was moving really well. I was just throwing the weights down because I didn't want to waste energy and hold because I was cramping. And this was my last warm up. That's 235 kilos. Also moved well. And then this was my opener. So again, the carpet had no grip. I wish the venue had like a better carpet. So it moved pretty fast. So I stuck to plan and jumped to 265. My second attempt. And again it moved so pretty fast. And then I went to 272, that's 600 pounds. I had much more than this. So this was a senior equipment record. Yeah, it was pretty easy. So basically I went 9 on 9. I'm going to play
If
the
you
video
succeed,
again
this is the
because,
new senior mid
my
record.
cameraman Vignesh, he forgot to record the ending part. So this is the ending part of my flex of me lifting the belt, like a WWE wrestling
Good lift.
celebration.
This is the new senior state record.
Okay, so guys, I went 9 on 9. So I totaled 627.5 at 72.4 kilos, as you can see in the videos. Okay, so basically I'll do like a neat recap now. So the squat room was like really messy. There was all wooden flooring over there, and there was no tension and there was no grip. So I had to retake a weight. My last warm up was 200, and after that I went to stage. I did 210, 222, and then 227. It was a PR. So I hit the 500 pound mark. So squat went good overall. I had more. The thing is, after my second attempt, I had an official come and tell me that my bar placement was too low. So I had to literally like take the bar placement up. So I was done with squats, and then I had this injury, 1.5 week out. Not injury, so it was, and it became so hard. So basically, the bench was done in the warm-up room, as you can see. So I stuck to the plan. I opened with 120. So basically it was so slippery, there was like literally no leg drive. I kind of Larsen pressed everything, and the thing, I couldn't self unrack like I do normally because this was hurting so badly. So I opened at 120, it didn't go that well, so I jumped to 122. 122 went really well, and that's why I took 127, which was a PR. So I paused 127, so I got 127. That was a PR. After that, I started cramping a lot. Even in my bench, my calves cramped and it was slipping and all. So I started deadlift. My last warm up was 235. At that point, everything went good. I took 250 for the first. It felt really good. So then I went up to 265. 265 also felt really good. So then I attempted a state record, which was 272.5. It's a PR for me. So I hit the 500 pound mark and the 600 pound mark. So I guess this meet was good. Kind of went according to plan. I had so much more in deadlift. I had much more in squat. Bench was like a grinder because it's really off. So for the event, like the facility over here, the equipment over here, I did pretty good. And yeah, so now it's time to rest, cure this injury, and yeah. Yeah, bro. I said it's fine.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.